Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Google Chromecast with Google TV. Now this Chromecast is quite different to the previous models as it is the first model that uses a remote. This remote is required to move around the new Google TV operating system. And that brings me to my second point. This Chromecast runs the Google TV operating system, which is a type of version of the Android TV that has been seen in many TVs and other streaming boxes. This is also the white snow colour, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so to unbox this, we'll turn it over and I'll get my unboxing knife and slice the plastic. Like so. And then we'll just take it all off. Like that, and put that to the side. Okay, so now I'm going to open this up like this, and then we're presented with the two items. So we'll open up the Chromecast first, pull it up with this little tab, put this to the side for now, and then we can pull this open and take the Chromecast out. So here it is, take it out of this little plastic, and here's the Chromecast with Google TV. So we've got the HDMI port, which will just plug into the back of your TV. And we've got a little button here as well. And also the USB-C port, which you'll need to connect with the cable to a wall port, not just the TV this time, because it needs a bit more power. You can also use this to transfer data with like a hard drive or something similar. So that's really great to use. So now we'll get over to the remote. Here it is. We'll just open this little box. And here's the remote. Take it out of its packaging. And here we are. So this is the remote. We've got the directional arrow buttons up the top with the center button to select. We've got the back arrow, the Google Assistant button in black, the home button, the mute button, YouTube and Netflix shortcuts. And we've also got the power on and off, input and volume up and down. Now, on most modern TVs, you should be able to configure this to act for the TV as well, so that you don't have to use separate remotes to turn on and off the TV, for example. So now let's get into the rest of the box. So we've got a quick get started guide here in blue. We've got the USB-C to USB-A cable here, which, as I mentioned earlier, will need the USB-C will go into the back of the Chromecast, and the USB-A cable will go into the back of this charging brick. Into here. It'll go into the charging brick here and then into a wall port, as this Chromecast will need a bit of extra power than the previous generations. So yeah, that's the unboxing for the Chromecast with Google TV. Hopefully this was helpful and gave you a good idea about what this product is like and the unboxing process. Thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.